Welcome to the Cosdef Arts and Crafts Centre and the Namibian Heritage Week 2021. Today, Ms. Kim Matheus, our fashion design trainer, is going to teach the kiddies how to turn an old shopping bag into something new and sparkly. Enjoy!
Little kiddies, welcome to Cosdef Arts and Crafts Center, and we are going to give you a little training on how to make upcycle with your old shopping bag, or you can ask mom to make for you an old shopping bag so that you can give a little bit life to an old shopping bag. So now what we have here, I have my two shopping bags which we are going to attach at least into the toolkit for the kiddies that they will be able to decorate it. And right here I have fabric which then I cut out some little motifs for me to create what I have here. So before then I have already cut out some little animals which are very nice for the kiddies to be able to decorate a shopping bag. So what you see here, I have two buttons which I am going to put part on my bag. I have scissors which you need to cut out your little motif, and we have fabric glue which is very much safe for the kiddies to use to be able to paste this on the shopping bags. What I am going to do is I'm going to take my 4 animals that will be included in the toolkit, or should you not have anything, you can cut out from a fabric. So what I have here, I have a lion, a monkey, an elephant, and a hippo. Now here I only have one eye of my motif. I still need to cut out another, so I'm just going to show you how I will cut the next one that I will need. So I just go around the motif, which is more like a picture image on the fabric, and cut it out from the bigger fabric. So I have 2 buttons here, so what I'm going to do is create little eyes where I'm going to put a button right on top to give it a shiny look and a different look. So what you see here is a little fabric that we're going to create a nose, and what we are going to do first, we're going to paste all of this into the right order that they are to create a smiley face. Very much easier if you get to stitch your button onto the fabric while it is wet with the glue before it gets dry, which kind of gets it difficult for your needle to go through. Children do not have a limit to be creative, so they can do as much as they want on the old bag. So I am thinking of adding a little nose here and with some little mustache of a Lion King. So to avoid, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my Kokim to draw a nose, an additional nose on it. So what you need is a paper that you need to get to put inside to avoid the Koki smudge through at the back. And that's right about about it. So we are done with our old bag, which is now new and has upcycled, that kiddies can actually use so that they can go for shopping with their parents or friends. It doesn't matter, but this is good for the environment because we get to buy plastics now, but this is a reusable one. And the good thing about the fabric glue, you can wash and they are not going to fall off. You can use this fabric every time. From the clean bag to what you have done, kindly send us a photo of what you have made so we can see your creativity. With us at the Cosdef Arts and Crafts Center, with Heritage Week, thank you so much and we look forward to your creativity.